Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll walk you through a quick and easy method to remove watermarks from your images using AI. And the best part, it's absolutely free. Open up your favorite web browser. In this tutorial, we'll be using Google Chrome. In the search bar, type in watermarkremover.io and hit enter. This will take you to the Watermark Remover website. Once the website loads, you'll see the option to upload your image right on the home page. Click on Upload Image. Choose the image file from your computer. That contains the watermark you want to remove. Now, sit tight for a moment while the AI works its magic to remove the watermark from your image. This usually just takes a few seconds. Once the process is complete, you'll see the preview of your image without the watermark. Take a quick look to ensure the watermark has been successfully removed. If you're satisfied with the result, go ahead and click on the download button to save the watermark-free image to your computer. And that's it. In just a couple of minutes, you've successfully removed a watermark from your image using AI, and all for free. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.